So hello guys, welcome again to Power Learning channel. I hope all of you are doing good. So today I bring a new video for you. In this video we gonna discuss about digital controller of ATS and ATS panel, how it's work, and also I will show you the commissioning procedure of ATS panel at site. So as you see on the screen, this is the animated view of single line diagram of a ATS system. In this animation you see there is a power source incoming from the transformer and there is one generator, and there is also one digital controller which is installed between these two sources, which is sensing the supplies of generator and the mains power. So in all standby sites where we are using in the industry, as you see in the animation, there is a stadium, there is a hospital, there is a building, there is a telecom site. So all these applications we are using standby generators. So now we will have a look on the real panel which we installed at site. Here is the panel. You can see that the controller is installed and the indication lights are on. So all this you will have a good look, and after that I will show you more details. So now we have a look on the ATS panel nameplate. On the nameplate, the first thing is panel name. The panel name is ATS panel auto transfer switching panel. Rated current is 1250 amps. Rated voltage is 380 by 220 volt. The standards are IEC 61439-2 and the job order number and year of manufacturing. So this is the nameplate details, and after that now I will show you some details about the controller. We are using here DeepC335 digital controller. On this controller, first we have 4 navigation keys with one enter key in the center. After the navigation keys, we have the digital monitoring display screen. From this screen, the operator will see the operating condition of the panel, and after the operator panel we have some operator keys. I will show it now. There is a operator keys. From this control keys we can control our ATS panel. So guys, this is the overview of our panel. So now we will start the commissioning procedure and I will show you how we will start the commissioning. So before going to the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's get started. So guys, now we are at the site, okay, and you are seeing now the digital controller display is on, the power is on, their S1 is closed, it's showing S1 closed and no start request. As you see here, the normal supply is available, QN is on position, generator supply is off, QG is off, and load is available. Okay guys, this is S1 showing the power is on and there is no S2 supply. S2 is our generator. So here we are, the first breaker, this is QN for the main supply, for the transformer supply, it is on now. So the load is on transformer, and this is the second breaker which is QG, which is using for generator. Now what we will do, now you will see here on the panel, we will start demonstration of the auto test. We will turn off the mains sensing breaker. From here, as you see now, I turn off the power breaker and you see the S1 indication is off now, and it will give command now start request to the generator. Now you see the normal supply is off, QN is off, and the generator is ramping up. Now the generator indication is on. You will see now it's warming up, the generator is warming up now. After the warming up timing expire, the breaker will be closed. As you see, S2 is available now. The QG breaker is on. QG breaker is on now, and the QN breaker is off. So you will see now here QN is off now because the main power is off. You'll see here the S2 indications is now on. So now what I will do, I will turn on the mains power. So you will see now S1 indication is again on. Okay, and it will return the generator power to mains power. So the return delay timer is there. After the return delay timer, it will open first the S1. As you see now, normal supply is on. The indication of normal supply is on. Generator is running on cool down, but the breaker is off. The load is on. Here you see the QN is off, and here the QN is on. So this is all guys for today. I hope you like this video. Inshallah we will see you in the next video. If you have any comments or anything you will comment us, we will sure answer you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.